Okay, guys, there have been very many theories about origin of life on Earth. Science has all along been following and loyal to the evolutionary theory, and the religions believe in theory of creation, that man was created by God. Now, in today's episode, we are going to discover something so incredible, unbelievable, that it will conclusively prove whether life on Earth came from evolution or from creation. For this, we have to go to 19.5 degree north latitude. I repeat, to find out whether life on Earth was created or evolved from unicellular beings, we have to go to 19.5 degree north latitude. Slides, please.
Start.
Okay, guys, imagine this circular shape is the Earth. We are inserting a triangular pyramid into Earth. I repeat, a triangular pyramid, which is a tetrahedron, means has 4 sides. Back to the origin, please. Okay, tetrahedron or a triangular pyramid has 4 sides. See, many of the pyramids that we see in Egypt are pentahedrons, or they are square pyramids. What that means is the base of these triangles are square in shape, whereas a triangular pyramid has its base triangular shaped. A tetrahedron has 4 sides and a pentahedron has 5 sides. Okay. With this understanding, let us now proceed further. Now, in this tetrahedron, that is a triangular pyramid that we inserted, imagine Earth is hollow, Earth is a hollow globe. We inserted this pyramid into Earth. Now, the center point of this pyramid would lie in 19.5 degree latitude north. 19.5 degree latitude north. Now you may wonder what this has to do with the creation or evolution of life on Earth. The answer to this may be rather stunning and bewildering. Now, if you look at Earth, its moon, its sister planets, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, all these planets have a crater or a volcano in and around 19.5 degree north. Earth, its moon, Jupiter, its moon, Mars, Venus, Neptune, all these planets have a volcano or a crater at 19.5 degree latitude north. Okay, so what? Next slide, please. Okay, this is another one showing the importance of the 19.5 degree latitude. See, when you draw a diagonal line from any of the tetrahedron's poles, which are not the apex of the tetrahedron. This makes an angle of 19.5 degree with the equator. Okay, fine. That's not our point here. Our point is something else. Back to me, please. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now, you would have seen landing strips in airports, which are actually well marked and well illuminated at night. In each landing strip, you have reflectors at the center and very bright, brilliant lights lighting up both sides of the runway or landing strip, visible from far away so that aircrafts can land safely. Now we come back to our tetrahedron. See, in intergalactic space travel, if a spaceship is to land precisely at the center of this tetrahedron, which is actually a marking on the planet, and this marking indicates the landing strip for the intergalactic spaceships. That's why you find craters and volcanoes at 19.5 degree north latitude in almost all the planets in our solar system. These craters or volcanoes are actually landing sites of large motherships in the distant past. The impact of the landing created a crater or a volcano. In fact, the largest volcano on Earth lies on 19.5 degree north latitude. The largest volcano in our solar system, which is in Jupiter, lies very close to 19.5 degree north latitude. In other words, the most probable way life on Earth originated is this way. Intergalactic spaceships have clearly landed in its landing strip at 19.5 degree north latitude. The impact created craters and volcanoes in almost all the planets in our solar system. These interstellar or intergalactic travelers planted life on Earth. In other words, life on Earth did not evolve. It was actually planted on Earth by intergalactic travelers. Now, I'm not disputing the creation theory of religions. See, religions believe that God created life on Earth. It could be quite right. Yes, God created life on Earth, but how? In fact, some of the religions say life was created from clay. But then, what exactly was the process? The process is this. At 19.5 degree north latitude, intergalactic spaceships have landed. They have planted life on Earth. And these space travelers may be called God by religion. Now, you may be wondering why pyramids have that unique, out of this world shape. See, but for pyramids, no, the shape on Earth is like that. Humans don't build like that. The design of the pyramid itself is not human. It's actually inspired from the tetrahedrons, which mark the landing strip for these intergalactic space travelers. Now, many of the pyramids are pentahedrons or square pyramids, and some of the pyramids are tetrahedrons, or triangular pyramids? Well, that difference in shape still goes completely unexplained. But then, let me assure you, pyramid is not a human shape, it's a superhuman shape. Life on earth was neither created nor evolved, it was planted. And it was planted here by space travelers who landed exactly at 19.5 degree north latitude. Thank you very much.